من خوار. So this is different because the verb is transitive. من خوار, I ate. من نانا خوار, I ate bread. من شيب خوار, I ate dinner, I had dinner. And intransitive verb in the past will be أزهات. من خوار أزهات. And with perfect, with present perfect, من خوارية, I have eaten. أزهاتم, I have come. من خوارية أزهاتم. With past perfect will be من خواربو, I had eaten. And with this verb will be أزهاتبم, I had come before, for example. Okay, and with future perfect من خواربه, I will have eaten, and أزهاتبم, I will have come. Okay, so you see it's important to know the type of verb, transitive or intransitive. سپاس و بخاطر